What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Jason Alpha Gaming. Right now we're gonna play Nuclear War Amiga, and right here selecting this. It's very funny character. Okay, click this, that, whatever. I'm just gonna that. Okay, so right now we're gonna click build a weapon. Okay, people start to build. No, people start to nuking nuclear core, and this is a long play, dude. We're so lucky. We just got 100 megaton missile. No, please. Okay. Oof. What? Are you fucking kidding? Sorry, guys. Are you kidding me? Sorry. Let's strike this bad boy with the nuclear. Wait. No, my weapon. Dirty bomb, destroy the city. Let's go. Okay, so what do we do now? Oh yeah, right. There's a 50 megaton, so we need it. The Deathbringer missile. That's kind of weird. The name called Deathbringer. What the heck is that? Okay, so right now we're gonna shoot the 50 megaton. Okay, why that one is so slow? Oh, we destroyed Gorbachev already. Okay, let's go click build. Ow. Whew. Okay, we got 420 20 megatons warhead. Okay, not bad. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's attack. Attack this one. Wait, no. This one is it's so weak, so we can attack it. Boom. Boom! Nice. Oh no, this is not gonna be good. Yep. My weapon destroyed by ABM, so that's not good. Well, we can just try and build another one. Oh, destruction! My country produced weapon. We got 50 megatons warhead, man! Cool. But I only have to deliver it's a missile that 20 megatons. So that's could be a problem, but that's okay. I can use it. The Deathbringer missile. But I thought the Deathbringer missile is actually 50 megaton. Are you kidding me? Okay. You know what? Let's attack this thing with 20 megaton. Woo! Boom! Dirty bomb. Destroy city. Good, dude. We destroyed this city. Woo! Let's build. Instrument of destruction. That is weird. Let's go. We got the nuclear postman bomber. Ooh, somebody just actually. Oh no! Ah. Okay. G. Go. Ouch. Boom! We destroyed this city. Okay. Let's go with the 10 megaton. 10 megaton. Why did he attack me? I literally attacked Gorbachev, not you. Okay. Let's see if this is good. Destroy the city. Go, 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 go. Boom! What? Missile explode over target city is safe. Oh, come on. The Carnage missile exploded on Gorbachev. No casualties. Well, that was suck. Are you kidding me? Oh, died. Let's go, Gorbachev. I'm gonna destroy you with my Amiga mission. Bro, the dot warhead saved the city. Let's go. Die! Oh, okay, we already have the city that we died. Okay. This is gonna be oh, yes, we got 250 megaton warhead. Nice. Okay, so wait. What if we build again? No. Okay, let's go. 50 megaton. Select an action before its ending turn. What do you mean? Did I just click something accidentally? I don't know. Probably not. I guess. 50 megatons. Please be. Oh yes. What? Ooh, bomb shelter. Are you? Man, come on. Give me your city. What? My city. Come on. Let's go. Let's try again. Yes. Dig, you have a smallest thing ever. Okay. 50 megatons. Boom. Go. The bringer. Okay. Okay, let's go. Wait. Nah. Boom! Fireball in Gulf City. 50 million killed. I can't even spell. Oh man, I don't have the liver system right now. Okay, you know, let's build. Yes, 50 megaton missile. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, wait. Okay, let's. Okay. Yes! Finally, let's go. I expected that from you. And what does that mean, huh, Mr. Stupid Tomato? Okay, let's do this. If I lose, maybe this video is gonna be end. Okay, guys? I'm sorry if this is very long or too long or what. Well, let's go target this thing. Bye-bye. Boom! Radioactive beta ray destroy city. Nice. We destroy your city. Let's go build another one. Oh, that thing just placed. Oh! No! Come on! Let's go. 20 megaton missile. Huh. That's not bad. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Attack me already? He's gonna be one, I guess. He's the one now. Boom! Let's go. 50 megaton. Are you serious? They just give me a 20 megaton. That's fine. Dodge warhead, save the city. Okay, let's shoot them with 20 megaton. What? Oh, come on. Gotta wait. I have the last solution right here. Yes, I got what? Are you kidding me? You know what? You do this again. Yes! Let's go! Okay, let's build a nuclear toy. Oh man, already stole my city. Mega cannon? What? Wait, what? What's mega cannon mean? Is it the fence? Alright, you win. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.